Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are taking a deep dive into the VBGK 2-burner electric cooktop. If you are living in a small apartment, a dorm room, or just need an extra burner for holiday cooking, you know that finding a reliable and efficient stove top is a total game changer. Let us start with the design. This is a 12-inch electric cooktop that fits perfectly on smaller countertops. What really caught my attention here is the knob control. In a world where everything is moving toward complex touch screens, VBGK has gone back to basics with mechanical knobs. This is a massive plus for anyone who finds touch controls finicky, especially those with poor eyesight or those who just prefer the tactile confirmation of a physical dial. It also adds a layer of safety against accidental activation from kids or pets. Moving on to performance, you get 2 independent heating zones with a total power output of 2100 watts. Since it is designed for a standard 110-volt outlet, it is incredibly easy to set up without needing an electrician to install a heavy-duty line. You have 9 power levels to play with, which gives you plenty of precision whether you are searing a steak or slowly simmering a delicate sauce. One of the standout features is the compatibility. Unlike induction cooktops that force you to buy specific magnetic pots and pans, this ceramic burner is compatible with pretty much anything you have in your kitchen. Whether you are using cast iron, copper, aluminum, or stainless steel, this cooktop handles them all with ease. Just make sure you are using flat-bottomed cookware to get the most efficient heat transfer. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the far-infrared heating technology is quite energy efficient. It heats up fast and does not emit electromagnetic radiation, which is a big concern for some users. The cleanup process is also very straightforward, as the surface is flat and can be wiped down easily once it cools. On the negative side, because it uses ceramic heating elements, the glass top does get quite hot and stays hot for a little while after you turn it off. You need to be careful not to touch the surface immediately after cooking. Also, while it is great that the unit displays error codes like E1 or E2 for maintenance, I would always suggest keeping your manual handy so you know exactly how to troubleshoot if something does not go as planned. Overall, the VBGK 2-burner electric cooktop is a solid, reliable, and versatile piece of kitchen gear. It removes the guesswork from cooking and offers a user-friendly experience that really delivers on its promises. If you are looking to upgrade your cooking setup without the hassle of a permanent installation, this is definitely worth a look. Link in the description.